Today, I'll be showing you how to replace the cabin air filter on a Hyundai Elantra. This is a quick task you can do at home. It'll save you money while keeping the air inside your car clean. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. Start by opening your glove box and removing any items inside. On the right-hand side, you'll see a little damper arm. You just simply pull it out. Next, turn the tabs that are inside the glove box. That'll release the stoppers and allow the glove box to drop down. Now that the glove box is out of the way, you'll see a rectangular cover. That's the cabin air filter housing. Just press the clips on both sides and pull the cover straight off. Slide out the old cabin air filter. If you notice it's full of dirt, dust, or leaves, that means it was definitely time to replace it, such as this one. Take your new filter and make sure the airflow arrows are pointing down. That's the correct direction for this car. Then slide it into the housing until it sits flush. Pop the housing cover back on until it clicks. Lift the glove box back up. Insert the stopper tabs back in and then turn it to lock it in. And reconnect the damper arm. Close the glove box and you're done. And that's it. Having this done at a shop or dealership can easily start at $50 on up. And you can buy the filter online for around $12. I also keep a very simple vehicle maintenance logbook in every vehicle I own. Anytime I do work, I jot down what I did, the date, and the mileage. It helps keep track of maintenance and adds value if I ever sell the car. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos like these.